we can connect any wireless Bluetooth headphones and earbuds to iPhone 16e. I have this Bluetooth headphone and pairing with my iPhone 16e. First of all, put your headphones in pairing mode by pressing and holding down the power button or reset button, like this. My headphones reset button is given here. For AirPods, you can press back button of the charging case until the amber light flash white. That means your headphones are ready to pair. You can also disconnect this headset from the other device that you are using. Now, on your iPhone, launch the Settings app and tap on the Bluetooth setting. Under Other Devices, find the name of your headphones. Tap on it to pair and show connected. Now, play media file and check that your headphone is set as an output device. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.